Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a really small Temu order. It's smaller than I usually show. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So yeah, I believe I might have stated it in my progress video or my whip and chat. Apologies, I kind of don't remember. I'm kind of limited a bit on my Temu orders, so any Temu paintings I'll be showing probably in a couple of weeks. Sorry, in the following weeks. I think it'll be a smaller order, so I do apologize that they're smaller now. But don't get me wrong, they are really nice paintings, and I do have a couple that are good probably for a couple weeks, so don't worry, I'll make sure to always get Temu to y'all. So the two paintings I'm showing today, they're kind of larger, and I kind of forgot how big they were when I originally did the order. So I was real excited. This as well as from that random little grab bag, as I call it. I just pulled two out, and luckily they were both large ones. I kind of forgot this one, but when I was looking at it, because I wanted to confirm what is it exactly, oh my goodness, I fell in love with it again. And apologies for the crinkly noise. I'm just getting the painting out of the bag. They're usually wrapped up in this style. This wonderful little plastic wrapping. I do save these because I use them as a backup, just in case any diamonds are not packaged as well, or they've helped me out in the past. That's why I saved those large packages. Yeah, sleeves. There you go. I'll call them sleeves. And just unfurl the painting. Ooh, this canvas is a little stiff. I feel it. And comes with the diamond and your standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray, pull out your pen. Sorry, I forgot what the word was. Press it onto the wax, press it onto the diamond, press the diamond onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if for some reason it decides to disappear on you, or unfortunately it breaks, your next painting will have you covered. I really love that happens. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, yeah, I think I was kind of expecting it. These are a little loose, meaning they're not in a plastic sleeve. Usually diamonds in these canvases are in the little sleeve, but that's why I saved the original packaging. Yeah, I think I was a little bit psychic that I had a feeling this painting might not have them on the sleeve. Let me just put them in real quick. And there we go. As you can see, they'll all be together and I don't have to worry about losing any, or just in case I'm confused which diamond specifically these are. I did that red before I was going to show them to you, so sorry about that. I was just really excited that I could use the sleeve. As you can see, there's some really nice dark tones. That lovely banana cream color. I love that color. Nice little pink. Little random pinks everywhere. There's a lot of earthy tones in this one. Oh, that random dark green. I'm a big fan of that. And it's just a painting. And as I said, both of these are a little larger. It's a wonderful little tree branch with flowers. Oh my goodness, this painting is so pretty. I honestly, as I said, I kind of forgot about this painting a bit until I pulled it out of the bag. I saw, oh my goodness, it's the branch with the flowers. And as I said, I fell in love with it again. I'm trying to keep it from curling in, so that's why I moved it off screen, just to kind of roll it the opposite way, because that really does help. Sorry, that really does assist on keeping it from furling so much. Placing the plastic down as well, because it really helps with the creasing. You can see the painting a little bit, even though I'm spinning it a bit. And I'm seeing something kind of interesting, and I'll explain in a moment. I think this is a lighting effect, because I kind of seen that it's really well blended here, but I believe it's sunlight to the flowers. As you can see, the wonderful little, I believe these are plum blossoms, but I'm not too sure. These wonderful little flowers, they're just on a branch. You can see the base of the branch here at the bottom, just reaching out and curling to the top. I believe this is sunlight. Yes, it is. As you can probably see, I'll see if I can get a little closer, the little image. It shows kind of sunlight peeking through to the branch. Ooh, I really like that. And, oh my goodness, I really do like this canvas. And some information about this canvas. It is TM-HH001. I was so close to saying 722 hyphen, and it is a 30 by 40. And this painting has 25 colors. And the legend from 1 to 9 is a numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 10, well, actually including 10, 10 is 0, and I'm used to seeing that 10 is always 0. And from 11 up to 25, it's a mix of capitalized, lowercase, and symbols. Apologies, letters, and then symbols. They're kind of all over the place. It kind of ends with 2 symbols at the end. It's kind of going to be a little bit of a challenge, because I've been kind of getting a little spoiled by the canvases that everything's been in order, meaning last numbers are usually all just capital letters. I think this canvas is challenging me a bit. I do love it. I love the color of this canvas. And also this canvas, as you can probably see why it's kind of not as clearly, and I'll get it a little closer. It has a little bit of assistance circles around them, as you can see around the symbols. And these, I believe whenever I see paintings in this style, they're really, really well designed for especially beginner painters. Apologies. It assists you on making sure that everything's in a straight line. Give me a moment. Goodness, apologies, that plane was flying really, really low. It actually activated some car alarm, so that's why I was waiting to get it cleared out. That happens sometimes. Apologies for that. And the circles, as you can see, if you place the diamond kind of perfectly on it, you don't see the circle. And whenever I see paintings with this kind of style, they're kind of really close to each other, so you don't really see the lining unless you're really, really off on placing the diamonds. Even though myself, I don't see myself as a beginner painter anymore. I do appreciate those, because every now and then, sometimes we're a little off. And I do appreciate that. I do like that. Oh my goodness, I just love this image. I actually really do want to kit it up, because I am curious how all the flowers are going to come out. There's a lot of confetti, especially with the flowers. So I'm wondering if it will really highlight it a bit. Not yet. I still have to wait, because I have other paintings to finish. And just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen, so you can see a little clearly if a nice little tree branch of flowers is hairstyle as well. I'm just going to put this tiny little table I have here. Apologies, I moved away from the microphone. Ooh, sorry about that, I got away from me. And for my last painting. So this painting is a bit random. I got suggested to me, TEMU has suggested it to me, and I really, really love the style of it. I love the color too. I know there's going to be a lot of dark, probably black or dark purple. Sometimes it does that in the background, but I really do love the contrast of it. And let me just unfurl it real quick. You can see standard trait, as I said, there was heavy cover. And these are the diamonds. You see how these diamonds are already in a packet? That's what I meant when I said those other diamonds were a little loose, because they weren't packaged in a little packet. Sometimes that happens, but it's alright. As I've shown, I just reused the packaging again, so I don't have to worry about losing any diamonds. Ooh, I really love that blue. I just saw that dark blue, dark burgundy in the background. There's a color here. I believe it's around here. That's a little heavy. It's a little thick. I can feel it with the packets, and I believe it's the black color. Ooh, I really had the random little light pink. I love that there's always some random light colors when there's a lot of dark tones. I don't know, I'm a big fan of that. You can see all the different tones. A really, really light peach. I really like that. And this is the image. So I am not too sure where it's from. Not too sure. For some reason, I don't know. I thought it was, first of all, I assume it's from an anime. I love anime, so to me, it kind of looked like it, but I am not too sure. And I could tell they're wearing kind of robes, and there's, I forgot what symbol this is, and it's on the top of my head, but it kind of slipped from my memory. So if anybody can recognize it, just leave in the comments below. It's going to bug me a bit on why I know that symbol, and I just don't remember. And I love the two contrasting colors, the really, really dark, crazy blood red, and the really nice, cool, dark blue hues. I love this image when I first saw it, and at the base of their feet, there's a reflection of them. I do know there are two kind of warriors that are back to each other. Like I said, I fell in love with this image. I really wish I knew who it was from. It just got suggested to me through Temu, and it was on a lightning deal, so I got it really discounted. I just fell in love with it, and I really do want to complete it, because I don't know what it is. It's just, this painting is just really, really beautiful for me. I really love it. I really love the red and the blue. I'm a big fan of that. And for some information about the painting, it is ZS-745, and it is a 30 by 40, and it's 21 colors. And luckily, the legend for this one are all capital letters. It's here on the top left and on the lower right. I really love when canvases do that, because I kind of spin my paintings a bit. So I love when there's one on each corner, because then I can just reference it instead of having to keep turning it again, just so I can see the legend correctly. And I'm just going to pick up the plastic really clearly, just to kind of help with the creasing, because I see it's still trying to curl in. And I'm just going to fix it a bit. My goodness, it's really going to bug me a bit, because I really want to know where that's from. My first thing I thought of was Inuyasha, but I don't, sorry, not Inuyasha, sorry, Naruto, but yeah, I don't think it's Naruto. Or maybe it is. Not too sure. Really have to research it, because now it's going to bug me. Sorry, Inuyasha. I always think of that anime. It's one of the older animes I saw a long time ago. So anytime I think of anime, I think of Inuyasha. I do love Inuyasha. Apologies for that. And I'm noticing too, the drill field on this painting is really, really clear. For the darker tones, there's white lettering, which I can see really clearly. And for the lighter tones, for example, it's the white, it's a darker tone. Oh my goodness, that is so clear. Huh. And maybe this should be one of the paintings. I'm trying to kit up kind of larger Temu paintings, because I do have several. Several of them. And I kind of want to put one on the side, so anytime I kind of want to, just do a random little round, I can just grab one of the big ones and just do that. I do that every now and then, especially if we're on a break from my really, really large paintings. I'll do some of these little smaller ones. Okay, kind of medium ones. Just so I can get my mind kind of a break and I can focus on something else. I really do love this painting. It is so clear. And I could see everything from their hair, from everything from the beginning of their outfits, even from the line that's separating them. My goodness, this is so clear. I need to find which seller I was putting these paintings out, because I want to see what else they offer. Because this drill field is real clear, I'm sure there are other paintings as well. I'll have to double check. Oh my goodness, I love that blue. The blue really won me over. Well, the red as well, but the blue's my favorite. And just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen, just in case some mystery warriors with contrasting colors is your style as well. Even I couldn't figure out wording for that. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to show today. And as I said, I do apologize. My Temu orders are a little smaller now, so don't worry. I'm always going to have some of the paintings. I'm just not going to show as many. Not for a while. So I do have some. I've been going down the route of ordering probably around 30-40s and some 40 by 40s, but I'm going a little larger because I do want larger paintings. I feel bad that I'm always picking up 20 by 20s. And some of these larger ones I've seen completed from other painters, sorry. They just look gorgeous, so I really want to complete some of these. That flower one's calling me, but this one is really winning my heart over. That was a bit dramatic, wasn't it? And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put my channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, even though we're figuring out what they are. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.